We don't want to see any more Russians in Georgia. We don't want to see any more terrorists in Georgia. That's the reason why we are here, okay?
Russia and Belarus are now trying to create a fear in the West that the Wagner mercenaries transferred to Belarus will attack a NATO member, Poland. There is information that more than 100 mercenaries of the Wagner PMC went to the Suwalki corridor, which unites the territory of the Baltic states with Poland and separates the Kaliningrad region of Russia and Belarus. This is the only land connection between the Baltic states and other allies. Polish Prime Minister Mateusz Morawiecki called it a step toward a further hybrid attack on the territory of Poland. And Russian channels report another attack on the Chonhar Bridge early this morning, which connects Crimea with Kherson region. End of June, Ukraine attacked this bridge also. With the strike on the main Crimean bridge, Russian forces in southern Ukraine are becoming more isolated. This Russian filmed the last seconds of his life. Russians demonstrating extensive damage dealt to the Mlrs in the Zaporizhia direction. It is claimed the damage was done with cluster munitions. Sound is very poor, so it's not easy to catch all words.
Колеса пробили насквозь. Да, бак пробитый тоже. Крыша вообще в хлам.
Another video from a cruise liner from Sochi with Russian tourists entered Batumi. Some of them stated that the Russian Federation liberated Abkhazia from the Georgians, and Russia and Georgia are a single country. After that, the inhabitants of the city staged a protest and drove the ship away, shouting, "Invaders!" and including the anthem of Ukraine.
We don't want to see any more Russians in Georgia. We don't want to see any more terrorists in Georgia. That's the reason why we are here, okay? And you know, they are not peaceful Russians because they have their flags, they terrorist flags, and they were like showing it to us, acknowledging that we cannot do anything to them.
This ship is full of the people who are just smiling to us and having fun because the people whose country is 20% is occupied by the Russia and they are still having fun. This is what aggression means.
Russians right now, before they will completely apologize and regret what they've done and really like suffer, like we suffered, they are not welcome. This is my opinion.
How delightful evening in Russia. Balls, beauties, lackeys, junkers, and Schubert's waltzes and the crunch of French bread, love, champagne, sunsets, lanes, shopping bags, cattle, Putin, and war. President Zelensky visited the Bakhmut direction on Special Operations Forces Day. He had a chance to talk to Ukrainian defenders over coffee at a gas station.
Добрий день. Thank you so much. Yeah, please. Thank you so much for your service. Thank you. All the best. Good luck.
Russians are trying to create a story. How are they rebuilding Mariupol? But the network showed how Mariupol, destroyed by the occupiers, looks now. I will show you Mariupol, which no longer exists. Chronicles of a dead city without beauty and montage, from the window of a bus. Mir Avenue from Theater Square to Torgova Street. Historical center. No comments, wrote the advisor to the mayor of Mariupol, Petro Andriushchenko. And some military porn for the end. Great shot of the U-2 Dragon Lady at Beale Air Force Base.
8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. There's 2, there's 1, there's 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, back to 3, 0.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.